Big shout out to the folks at Mechland for sending me over this keyboard. They haven't paid for what you're about to hear. So let's see if the LEOBOG K81 mint sea salt is worth your time and money. So let's take a look at the packaging. The box comes in a sleeve, which features a combination of Chinese and English text. This is the mint sea salt model, so it comes in a two-tone teal and white transparent color scheme. Overall, the box features some nice artwork, the top of the box saying LEOBOG, the bottom of the box showing that it's the mint sea salt theme, the side of the box showing the available modes, the other side of the box just showing that it's 81 keys, and now just removing that sleeve to expose a majority black box. Some more branding here showing the K81. And the LEOBOG logo up top, bottom also saying LEOBOG once again, and the back just supporting some more information. Now let's get inside of the box to see what else we're greeted with. Looks like we've got that quick start manual, and once again in Chinese and English text on the reverse. So we'll keep that handy. It's like we've also got this quick start guide pamphlet, got the keyboard itself wrapped up really nicely. That beautiful mint sea salt clear transparent color. The top does have that clear plastic cover, so if you wanted to leave this on your desk to prevent dust from getting in between the nooks and crannies, you can definitely utilize that. And here you've got the keyboard. Very nice. Another thing to note, you do have that 2.4 gigahertz adapter nestled right in there nicely. Now inside this other spare box tucked away on the side here, you've got some additional things and accessories. Let's get this opened. Got a couple of things in there. So you've got two additional rubber silicone feet here to put on the bottom of the keyboard. You've got what looks to be a coiled Type A to Type C USB cable to use it in wired mode. You've got 4 additional spare switches. These are the LEOBOG Crystal Ice V3 switches, I believe, which are a more linear switch, not as clicky. You've also got this 2-in-1 keycap and switch puller. Now focusing on the keyboard. So it definitely has a really nice heft to it. There's almost no flex. Let's actually take the plastic off. Now focusing on the design and aesthetics of the keyboard. This is a 75% TKL style, so you aren't getting things on the side like a number pad. The overall design and color scheme is an all transparent case with a white and teal color combination. The official name is mint sea salt, and you can kind of see where that name is derived from based on the various accents across the tops of the keycaps. I really like the way this looks in the transparent case. It gives me the whole 90s and early 2000s nostalgic vibe when Mac computers and Game Boys were all see-through. The material quality seems to be made of a very durable acrylic. Featured also is a 3000 mAh battery, which isn't the biggest on the market. And finally, the LEOBOG K81 comes with north-facing LEDs and 17 lighting effects. So now we'll go into a quick demo of the lighting effects available. The quality feels really nice, nothing feels loose. It's built very well and it has a solid construction. This case will have additional shock absorption and dampening, so it definitely won't sound too loud. You can visually see the gasket mounted structures along several layers that make up the inner workings. The overall weight feels nice, but let's weigh it to be exact. So we've got the scale here. So it comes in at roughly 2.62 pounds. Now going over the switches that come with this pre-built keyboard. These are the LEOBOG Crystal Ice switches, basically a very linear type and not tactile. So if you're looking for that clicky keyboard typing experience, you may want to get the other variant available on the site, or change out these switches to your own preference. Again, this is a fully hot swappable PCB or printed circuit board, so there's no soldering required. Simply plug and play your favorite 3 or 5 pin switches. Speaking of switches, these all come pre-lubed from the factory. The keycaps appear to be a 2-piece fused used construction, with the top layer being a PBT and the rest being made of acrylic. The other issue I've encountered with these keycaps is that light doesn't necessarily pass through the top. So if you're in a dark room and have the RGB on, you won't be able to see the keys unless you've memorized the placement or are an expert at touch typing. When it comes to the typing experience, the keyboard is very pleasurable to use. The actuation force of the pre-installed switches is right around 48 grams, which is really nice. You'll feel like you have enough control to where you don't have to keep your fingers all tensed up in order to accidentally press a key. The stock angle of the keyboard provides a nice ergonomic typing experience, and I didn't feel any fatigue over prolonged use. If needed, there are 2 additional silicone pieces you can add to the bottom of the board to give it a slight height adjustment, and they just fit right over the top of the existing feet. Now for a quick sound test. Let's go over some additional features and functionality. The LEOBOG K81 mechanical keyboard is equipped with the LEOBOG software and a chip that allows you to customize macros and the different backlight settings. There's also N-key rollover and anti-ghosting capability, so the keyboard can correctly detect input from multiple keys when pressed at the same time, regardless of how many keys are being pressed simultaneously. Lastly, the multimedia knob at the top right of the keyboard provides a dual functionality as a click and turn wheel, allowing you to adjust volume or whatever parameter you can think of. As far as connectivity is concerned, this is a 3-mode mechanical keyboard, meaning you can use it in wired mode with the included coiled cable, in Bluetooth mode, or with the included adapter for a 2.4 GHz wireless mode. As far as price and value is concerned, the keyboard comes in at a retail price of $119 before tax, but it can be found on sale for a slightly discounted price usually. In terms of value, I see you're getting a lot for your money. The base features along with the accessories and customization give you a lot of bang for your buck. So in conclusion, the LEOBOG K81 mechanical keyboard in the mint sea salt theme presents an appealing blend of aesthetics, quality, and functionality that caters to a wide variety of users, ranging from gamers to typists, and even the general user seeking a reliable and visually striking peripheral. Its durable build, pleasing typing experience, and versatile connectivity options, coupled with the thoughtful inclusion of hot swappable switches and customizable RGB lighting, make it a compelling choice for those in search of a unique and practical keyboard. While the ergonomics and price to value ratio may have room for improvement, the overall quality and practicality it offers are commendable. Based on this review, I highly recommend the LEOBOG K81 to anyone looking to enhance their setup with a keyboard that not only performs well, but adds a touch of personal flair to their workspace. Whether you're deep into gaming sessions, tackling extensive typing tasks, or simply navigating daily computing needs, the K81 stands out as a robust and stylish companion. So now I'll give my final score in 5 categories. Ergonomics, 4 out of 5. Price and value, 3 out of 5. Quality, 5 out of 5. Practicality, 4 out of 5. And aesthetics, 4 out of 5. That's it for today's review of the LEOBOG K81 Mint Sea Salt mechanical keyboard. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. Let me know in the comments down below what you think I should review next. And until next time, peace.